Pakistan should never have participated in the war. You know, while the US lost 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 people in the entire 20 years since 9/11, Pakistan lost 80,000 people. And we had over $100 billion lost to the economy. So our top priority right now is to look after our people. And our whole emphasis, my government's emphasis, is on geoeconomics. We want to build our economy now and to lift our people out of poverty, taking a cue from China. What China achieved is really what we look towards China as a role model, because never has any nation taken so many people out of poverty in such a short space of time as did China. So this is really my main concern, that how do I lift people out of poverty? How do I create wealth in my country? And we see CPEC and Gawad as a great opportunity for our geoeconomics. And I think this is not exclusively just between Pakistan and China. We invite any other country to come and join in and invest in CPEC projects.